Hey everybody, today we're taking a look at this memory foam pillow by Arc4life. This is their new V-Traction adjustable cervical memory foam neck pillow. Let's get right into it. Now in the box we got the pillow obviously, and there's also this nice pamphlet here that's got plenty of information on the best way to use the pillow and make your adjustments. It does come vacuum wrapped, so I always recommend with new pillows, cut it open, give it an hour to fluff up before you make any decisions or do anything with it. But we got this V-Traction that's going to be built in right here, and we've got two sides. We've got the V-Traction side, which is facing up, and then we also have a standard or support side over here. So if you're not looking for traction, you just want that kind of regular pillow type of feel, you can always flip it over here and sleep on this flatter side. Now what sets this pillow apart is the ability to adjust the firmness or the softness of the pillow to your personal liking. So in the V-Traction area here, it's all filled up, and we have direct access via zipper. We'll look at this here shortly. So you can change the firmness of just this specific area. And then on the left and right side of the pillow, if you happen to be flipping over here and sleeping on the regular side or the support side, you can change where the fill goes throughout the rest of the entire pillow. If we take a closer look at the V side, you can just pull the zipper here to the side, and you're going to see we've got this shredded memory foam and a fiber fill, and you can take out as much as you want and just put it off to the side until you get that perfect little feel here in the V-neck area. And then the same thing on the left and right zips. You're going to have access to all of this fill, so if you want to make it softer, you can. But you can see that when I stick my hand in here, right, I can get all the way to the opposite side of the pillow and even down here in the side. So if I want to move the filling around, so I've got the right support